Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Garni and I like to cook, so today I just want to show you how I'm going to cook asparagus soup. Who knows, maybe you will like it. Let's just start it. Okay. I have here 3 asparagus. I already cleaned it, as you can see, and I need 1 garlic, as you can see. I will make it small or chop it, and I also have half of an onion. I also going to cut it very small, and I use vegetable stock cube, or you can just use chicken stock if you like it. So this is all the ingredient what I have today. I already cut those 3 asparagus in small pieces like this, just like 1 bite, something like that. I use this pan, so I'm going to fry the onion and garlic. I use some olive oil. So just a little bit. The garlic I already chopped it, and the onion I just cut it in very small pieces. So I'm going now to fry it together. I fry the garlic and the onion until it turns golden brown. I use about half liter of water, and I'm going to boil the asparagus, how do you call it, skill. I boil the water, and I also put the vegetable stock cube, and I'm going to boil the asparagus peel separately, just to make a kind of stock. I boil just about 10 minutes. I put some pepper. I also put some sugar. After 10 minutes, I just take the skin of asparagus out of the stock. As you can see, I use 2 pans. One is for making stock, and the other one is frying the onion and garlic. Now it's ready to put the stock in this pan. Okay, I add this stock. And then I'm going to put the asparagus, which I already cut in small pieces. And I will boil for about 10 minutes. Then it will be ready. Just let it boil for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this asparagus soup is ready to serve. Make sure that the asparagus is cooked. If you like more cooked, maybe you can cook more, like 15 minutes. Okay, let's just serve. Now it's ready. There you have it. Asparagus soup. I garnish with spring onion on the top. Okay, let's just try. You should try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like or share to your friends or families. See you in the next video. Bye bye.